much harder to sew. But it works really well when stacking presents inside because the bottom lays flat. I made it so big I'm able to fit myself inside. The drawstring is a bit hard to pull, but that helps keep the bag closed when needs be. Many times during my first season I would show up to a gig and they'd have a garbage bag full of presents, which I would need to present. I can fit a good 1.5 garbage sacks inside my bag without having to unpack anything. It makes filling it up quite easy. You just, instead of just dumping out all the presents in there, you just take up the garbage sacks and put them inside. Very easy. In 2019, after my 3rd season and during the time I was making my own custom suit, I took some fabric to make a sack that would match the same fabric as my suits. Aesthetics, right? I made this one a bit smaller. I believe it started out as a skirt pattern actually, but it was too small for the misses, so I changed it into a sack, just sewed along the bottom.